What if the 50-30-20 rule is actually the reason you still feel broke? And no matter how hard you try, your money still disappears every month. Because for a lot of people, that rule looks smart on paper, but it falls apart in real life. It assumes your income is stable, your bills are predictable, and your spending is always under control. But real life doesn't work like that. Unexpected expenses happen, income changes, prices go up, and suddenly that perfect percentage system doesn't fit anymore. So here is the better rule. Pay yourself first. Not later, not if there is money left. First. Before you spend anything, before bills, before lifestyle, you take a portion of your money and you move it away from spending, into savings, into investing, automatically. Number one, protect your future money first. Even if it feels small, it matters. Because most people wait until they have extra money to save. But extra money rarely comes. That's why consistency beats size. Start with 5% or 10%. What matters is not the amount, it's the habit. Because once saving becomes automatic, you stop depending on motivation. Number two, cover your essentials next. Now you deal with reality. Rent, food, bills, transport, the things you cannot avoid. But here's the difference now. You already paid yourself first. So even if your expenses increase, your future is still protected. Number three, spend the rest without guilt. This is where most people struggle. They try to track every dollar, control every category, follow perfect percentages, and they fail. But when you save first, the rest becomes simple. That's your limit. No overthinking, no stress. You spend what is left and you enjoy it without guilt. Here's why the 50-30-20 rule fails for many people. Because it assumes life is stable. But life is unpredictable. Some months you have higher bills. Some months you earn less. Some months everything goes wrong. And when your system depends on fixed percentages, it breaks. But a priority-based system adapts. No matter what happens, saving still comes first. This is the real shift. The old rule says split your money evenly. The better rule says protect your future first. That one mindset change can stop you from living paycheck to paycheck. Because now you're not reacting to money, you're controlling it. And over time, this becomes powerful. You stop treating savings like leftovers. You stop treating investing like something optional. You start treating it like a priority. And when that happens, your money starts growing. Slow at first, then faster over time. That's how real wealth is built. So yes, the 50-30-20 rule sounds simple, but for many people, it's the wrong system. A better system is simple. Save first, cover needs second, spend last. Subscribe for daily money tips.